Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to book flight tickets online in Cebu Pacific for senior citizens step by step. So before we start, take note that senior citizens in the Philippines can get a 20% discount plus VAT exemption on eligible flights as long as they meet the requirements and present a valid senior ID. So first, just go to the official Cebu Pacific website or open the mobile application. Okay, then I just have to enter your departure city, destination, travel date, and number of the passengers. Okay, so for example, flying to Japan, that's right, and then the travel dates. Okay, so you just have to search for that flight. Okay, so here you just have to choose your preferred flight schedule. That's right. And then once selected, you just have to proceed to the passenger details page and make sure to enter the senior citizen's full name and birth date correctly, exactly as shown on their valid ID or passport. Okay, so let me just continue this phase. And then you just have to look for the option to indicate senior citizen if available on the booking page. So if that is available, then you can get discount for that. Okay, so if you can find that right here, then that's a good news. Okay, so if not, the discount is usually automatically applied or adjusted during the fare breakdown for eligible passenger. After that, you just have to proceed to the add-on page. You can choose baggage, seats, or skip extras. And for the payment page, and review the total fare to ensure the discount is applied. So you can complete your payment using GCash card, online banking once successful. So just make sure that you provide here the full details of the senior citizen. Okay, so always bring a valid senior citizen ID when flying. Book only through the official Cebu Pacific website or application. Double check the passenger details to avoid issues during check-in, and discounts only apply to eligible passengers and airfare. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.